Hi, good evening. It's on Wednesday evening and I'm going to try and find you some winners tomorrow. The reason being I'm doing it tonight is that somebody has said that they go to work and they can't see the videos in the morning and that sort of thing. So I'm going to do it tonight and I'll publish it tonight, so I'll give you all a chance to have a look at it. Okay, this afternoon I think we were a little bit unlucky with our Asian star. Scratched at the start. And I haven't been able to find out a reason. It's a shame because I took 9 to 1 on it, and I'm sure many of you got a good price like that. It looked a very open race, and I think we would have had an excellent chance there today. Anyway, on to tomorrow. I have got 3 horses which fall into my 7-day plan, and I'll look at those with you now individually, and we'll pick out the best one and see if there's a good one. So on my 7-day plan from the 18th of October, we've got 3 horses running at the Vaal. We've got Street Flyer, Mighty and Magic and Tidal Tussle. So let's have a look at those 3.
Decent start for them. Miss Samurai commits immediately. Straight off to the leaders, Miss Samurai. Second place is Tidal Tussle, then comes Ramor. Afternoon is on the inside, then comes Ramor Reason. A breakaway to Veritas, and that's still got 5 to make up as they enter the final 200 metres. Tidal Tussle, but here comes Summer Afternoon. She's run away from them. Second place is Ramor Reason, who tries to stay on, but it's Summer Afternoon. He'll make a very pleasing winning debut. Summer Afternoon has won it. Second goes the way of Ramor Reason. Tidal Tussle was third, and then came Targaryen Queen.
Okay, let's have a look at Might and Magic, then we'll choose which of the best ones we like when we've looked at all 3.
For home, King's Drive about to get tackled by Odd Rob, and Odd Rob has hit the front. King's Drive drops into second. Mighty and Magic needs to lift. Further back to Royal Honor. Penzi's on the inside and got 5 to make up, but Odd Rob's got first run and he's now got a 3-length lead. Second place is Mighty and Magic. King's Drive is towards the outside, then comes Penzi, but Odd Rob has got the race at the scruff of the neck and he'll go on to win. Odd Rob has won it. Second goes the way of Mighty and Magic, then came Penzi and King's Drive has got 9 to make up. Loot Society and Gonna Fly. 400 metres left to go, and Lazarus Tree tries to shake loose. Blazing Winter second. Snow in Seattle races in third. Street Flyer is up the inside. King of the Delta, Chapel Jive, they further back. No sign for now of Boxcar. 200 metres left to go. Lazarus Tree got a 3-length lead. Second place King of the Delta, who is trying to come out of the pack, but it's Lazarus Tree in command, and Lazarus Tree has beaten King of the Delta. Street Flyer got third, and then came Snow in Seattle.
Well, having looked at Street Flyer, today it's running over 1600 metres. Last time it was running over 1450, just last week. But one of the important things that I noted was the Street Flyer lost several lengths at the start, and at the end of the race was running on strongly. So I think perhaps the extra couple of 100 metres will help today, and the price is 10 to 1. So that's going to be my cryptic clue for tomorrow. 10 to 1 shot. We're looking for value, and the other 2 horses I would include in your jackpots and pick sixes if they actually feature in those races. So there we are, that's my selections for tomorrow, and I hope you enjoy them, and we'll chat again soon.